Good morning, everybody. All right, let's see what's going on. So yesterday, market was running up, was very bullish until 8 o'clock, and then before market opens, we start getting a little bit weakness. But then after open, um, it was just non-stop rundown. Nvidia was keep going up, but everything else was just weak. It seems like everybody was just selling everything and buying Nvidia. And then once the Nvidia weakness start weakening, like 15 MACD dead cross at 135, then market start accelerating down. So we had 100 points drop in SPX, which we rarely had this year, and then we had it again yesterday. Um, and one thing I want to explain, and this is gonna be the last. Good morning, Nikki. Yeah, this is gonna be the last time I'm gonna explain for this period. Short week theory that I keep saying it is that whenever there is a holiday, whenever there is a short week, either because most of the holidays in America is either on Friday or Monday. Only if it's 4th of July or something, it's like midweek or something. But anyhow, whenever there is a short week, people take vacations and there is less volumes and it's best opportunities for bearish people to play because there is less volume. They can come more in, they're more in control. They can drag market lower, and anyway, the opportunity is there for shorting. Market is weak in general during short week, but what's interesting is that a lot of time leading to short weeks, weakness starts and lasts until like midweek, and then by end of the week market goes to new highs. I mean, and if you are near all-time high, goes to new all-time high. So my prediction is a possible scenario is that this weakness can continue until mid next week, and then by you never know, maybe by Wednesday, Thursday, market reverses and go higher, and Friday is gonna be crazy green day, and new all-time high. So anyhow, what we want to watch is once we see market on the 4 hour TTM, and TTM squeeze shows yellow bar, and once we see 4 hour MACD golden cross, that rip up can happen, that new all-time high and new highs can come. But so anyway, pre-market right now, we are green on futures. Market was very red yesterday, so today either we gonna have a little bit rest day. Volume's probably gonna be low because it's near holiday. Some people maybe already took holiday, but if you see 30 and 1 hour MACD dead cross, again can get flushy. And Dow we go crazy up because the 4 hour is very bearish downward right now. Even if we go up, just be careful, it can be short term and temporary, unless we see yellow bar today, which is low chance, but you never know. Pre-market 515 not clear signal. 30 1 hour is upward. If you see again 30 and 1 hour on MACD on any name dead cross, it can flush down and go lower. NQ and daily, we start getting dark blue bar, as you can see here. Is that third day we're getting a dark blue bar. Weekly was about to have a golden cross, was near having a golden cross, but right now it's diverting down. NQ. Oh, another thing interesting here, I missed it. And a statistic fast, you can see here we are dead crossing too. Um, to NQ, same thing like ES 515 mix. 30 1 hour is still upward. Once they dead cross, can have a another rundown. 4 hour we're getting a red. We have red bars on the NQ, dark blue bar on daily, and weekly a statistic fast is near dead cross. Dow Jones. Daily is already dead cross, so that's weakness is there. RTY. Daily MACD is dead cross. It was much weaker yesterday because of rates going higher. DXY. Um, DXY is pulling back this morning a little bit, and the 4 hours curve down. So if this one falls down more, it can help market do some more recovery today. But watch it if it goes up again. 10-year note. 10 year right now looking very bullish, 0.5 up. 15:30 1 hour is upward, 4 hour very bullish. Daily MACD is curved up. Once the golden cross confirms, this can continue going higher, and the rate, the next target is 4.574. Wix was going up yesterday. It went to the target I posted in the service, 1307. Watch that level. If it goes above that, 1373, and higher levels are 1479, 1586 for next week. But this morning, if it goes below 12.1, market can go higher. Pre-market right now, 15:30 is downward, and 1 hour is curved down, and the 4 hours bullish upward. Daily MACD is near golden cross. So two key levels to watch is 12.1, 1307. Breaks either one, can make a bigger move in market. SPX. So SPX came as low as almost 52, 51 level, but it held it, and right now we're opening a little bit up. So 52.76. Let me see how many points is ES up. ES is 13 points up. So SPX should open at around 52.80. 52.88 and 52.76. These are the two key levels to watch. If 52.88 pass, we can go recovery back to 53.02. If 52.76 can hold it, then we're looking to go back to retest low of yesterday, 52.51 and 52.35, next major level. BTC was interesting. 5 minutes back to golden cross before close yesterday, and right now we got the ETH news. So right now, sorry about that's my boy sound. Daily MACD is upward. 4 hour is still bearish downward, so we need to wait for the next 4 hour MACD golden cross. To ETH, first ETF got approved, but remember, BTC had the same issue that people were waiting, and it was selling news a little bit, then later went higher. So this one is a little bit red, sell the news. Apple was very bearish yesterday, and we getting daily MACD is curved down. We got dark blue bars. Pre-market right now 30 and 1 hour is upward, so two key levels to watch is 188.46 and 186.45. If 188.46 pass, we can do some recovery, go back to 190, doubt 191.7, but that's in case it does. If it falls again, if you see 30 MACD dead cross, 186.45 is key. Past that one, 185, 183, and 183.2 next major level. Amazon went as low as 180 yesterday, so two key levels to watch this morning is 182.06 and 180. If 182 passes, can do some recovery upward. 1 hour MACD is already golden cross. Keep in mind, any name 1 hour MACD is already golden cross, it's showing a little bit of strength. So it does have a chance for maybe consolidation day. But if you see during the day any name 30 MACD dead crosses, then it can go for a bigger fall again. 180 if you can hold it, 177, 174, and 173.24. Nvidia gapping up 10 points. Is still 4 hours bullish. 1 hour MACD dead cross yesterday after close. Key was yesterday when the 15 MACD dead cross. Look here, it was running up. I posted in service and shared in public too. At here there was like almost $8 million calls came in on 1085 and 1080, and it was just IV went higher, the premiums went higher, but then at 20 minutes later, 15 MACD dead cross. Once it dead cross, accelerated market down. As always, remember, Nvidia is a direction setter of the market. So whatever that moves, whenever it moves big either way, it moves the market big either way too. So pre-market right now, 515 is down, 30 is kind of down, kind of flat, not clear direction. 1 hour is still in the dead cross mode. Keep in mind, it's still 4 hours upwards. So key levels to watch is 1040 and 1057. If 1057 pass, 1070, and higher levels 1084, 1107, 1129. If 1047, 1040 can hold it, then we're looking for retest 1024 and 1010. 4 hour is still bullish. So if the 1 hour MACD golden cross, can go for another squeeze up. But if the 4 hour MACD dead crosses, then it can go for a little bit more pullback, and we'll see. Nvidia is going to be a little bit tough right now because at some point a bigger a company gets, the movements become smaller too. Still, my target is like 1200, 2000 for maximum. God knows when, but it will may come. But for now, best is to wait for to play calls when the 1 hour MACD golden crosses. Anyhow, enough Nvidia. AVGO. To do 1530 is upward. If 1402 passes, 1419 next target. Above that, those are the levels. If it falls, 1389 is key level to watch. Can hold it 1380, 1370, and 1359. And it was strong into the close, so that was interesting. Bitcoin coin runs up a little bit because of ETF. It actually went to 230. It was very wild after close yesterday, but right now BATH is a little bit weak. So 222, 220 breaks either way, bigger move comes. 226, 230 upper level, and below 220 we're looking at 217, 214, and 212. Netflix, it was kind of a strong into the close too yesterday. So watch 641 for run up. 641 if it passes. Higher levels are 643, 646, and higher. But if 635 can hold it, back to 631 and 628. 628, yeah, low of yesterday was kind of 628, 61. Once it breaks that one, bigger fall can happen back to 619. Net Meta, it was actually very weak yesterday too, but into the close was strong. So it's gapping up 3 points up to 468. Past that one, back can go back to 470. Pre-market right now 15:30 and 1 hour is upward, and it's interesting that the 4 hour MACD is golden cross again. Note 4 hour was very strong pre-market yesterday, but then it started dumping all day. But again, right now we're getting a 4 hour MACD golden cross, and we're getting a light blue bar. That's interesting actually. So watch 470. If 470 can break strong, it can run up to 472, 474, and 477. But again, if 465, 463 can hold it, bigger dump to 458. Tesla, every day right now is going down after that massive day that it had 3 days ago. 4 hours still bearish, but right now 1 hour MACD is golden cross, 30 is upward, 15 is up. So watch for 174.87. If it passes, can go to 176, 177. But again, if you see it open and fall, back to 172 and 170. If 170 breaks anytime today, we're looking for 168 and 166. So low of the season of these last few weeks was 170. So we'll see if it's gonna hold 170. Yesterday it went as low as 173. If that one breaks, can go to 172 and 170.47. Microsoft. Microsoft, 30 is upward, 1 hour is near golden cross, but 4 hours still bearish. So two key levels to watch is 428.64 and 427.55. Breaks either way, can make a bigger move above 428, 430, 432. Doubt it goes to 432 today, but 430 maybe. 427 if it breaks again. We're looking at 424, 421, and 420. Google was very weak yesterday. Daily MACD is gold dead crossing. We're getting a dark blue bar. 4 hours is very bearish. So 174.05 if it can hold it. 173 below 173, it can go all the way down to 171, 169, and 168. Yeah. So if it jumps up again, 175.27 target. AMD 1 point higher. This was very weak yesterday. Actually, it opened, it jumped, it tried to follow Nvidia, then it was just suddenly after first 10 minutes it starts dumping, and it was all day dump. So this one, two key levels to watch is 162.85, 161.58. Keep in mind 164.46 is a magnet level. That's the previous all-time high before it running to 230 something. So it's possible to get back to it today again. But if it 161.58 can hold it, again back to 158.71 and 156.93. 4 hours still bearish. Keep in mind any name that 4 hours bearish, be very cautious playing calls. It can be just temporary short term. SMCI was just very, very weak yesterday. It opens and jumps, try to follow Nvidia, then right away in reverse and went lower. And so this one, 853 and 870. Those are the two key levels to watch. 870 pass, possible some recovery to 900. I doubt it goes to 928. But if 853 can hold it, we're looking at 830, 807, and 793 next level. 4 hour very bearish. The 1 hour is golden cross, so it's probably direction is down, but it's gonna be volatile moves. SPY 1.5 points higher. Pre-market 30 and 1 hour is upward, but the 4 hour is very bearish, and we're getting a dark blue bar on daily. 527.34 is a major level. If it can hold it, 526, 524, 525, 524. Low of yesterday was almost 524.43. If we do break that one, next major levels are 522 and 520.35. 528.21, that's a key level for recovery. If it does, back to 520 and 530. QQQ 1.5 points higher. Right now is between 453 and 456 up and down. So if 454.23 can hold it, back to 453 and 451. It needs to pass 456 for bigger recovery up again. If 451 breaks anytime today or next week, next targets are 449, 446, and 445.27. IWM was very weak, so today if you see rates going higher again, if 203.98 can hold it, back to 201.84. What else you got here? FSLR is still holding up. MRNA is still holding up. What else you got here? PDD was just crazy yesterday. This one 158, if it passes, next major levels are 163 and 170. Very bullish on the 4 hour daily and weekly. What else? BA was dumping yesterday, but 1 hour MACD is golden cross. That's pretty much it. Guess I covered everything. Caterpillar here on my watch list too. 1530 is upward, so maybe some recovery back to 354, 356. Yeah, so watch any name, a lot of names, because it was very big red day yesterday. It wasn't big in indexes that much big, but the intraday movement was very big. So if you see any name, again 1530 MACD dead cross, it's possible to fall bigger. And if you see any name showing strength on the 4 hour, like Meta, it's possible to do more recovery. FSLR, good morning, Amnon. FSLR 255, watch that one. 4 hour, we are already getting a dark blue bar. It's still very bullish on daily and weekly, and is holding up. Even market got weak, this one is still held up. 255.25, if it passes that one, next targets are 261, 267. Above that, new all-time high is 317. So it's not impossible to get there with this kind of strength. But right now, as you can see here, 4 hour, we're getting a dark blue bar. So it's possible some consolidation of weakness ahead. Pan W was actually holding up strong yesterday. That was interesting too. 4 hour MACD is golden cross. Daily, weekly MACD is near having a golden cross too. Key level to watch there is 317 and 322. Those needs to pass 322 for fly up. And pre-market showing a strength on 1530 and 1 hour, 4 hours upward. So yeah, but keep in mind, any pullback premiums get killed very fast. I tried yesterday. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and happy long weekend.